it should turn on. There we go. Hey guys, I just picked up this from Amazon. I'm going to be putting this outside at my house and one by the garden. So these are actually the 48 LED lights, and you can actually adjust them a couple different ways. So this is going to be interesting. It comes in black and white. I did get the black version, and I did get the white and not the warm light. So let's open it up and see what's in there. Got some screws. 2 sets of screws, a little mount, let me tell you, they sure pack these very well in there. So it came in the box. To me seemed to be a little small, and I thought these were going to be bigger, but the box was small. But it is a fair size. It's the way it's packed. It's so well packed, which is really interesting. So I'm going to be installing those outside, and you can adjust them different ways. So it does have little ridges here, so you can actually adjust them a certain ways. So this is the where it receives the light and charges up the batteries inside. So everything is fine on that one. Let's open up the other one and see if there's any damage, but I don't think so. I didn't see anything bad with it. So everything seems to be okay. And we're going to have to go look at the instruction book on how everything works. And you get a small little tiny instruction book, which is written very, very small. So I don't know if the camera can focus on that. I guess it can't. Let me tell you, this is written in very small word, and on this side it's actually Chinese. So you get in English and in Chinese or Japanese. So charging the light under 8 or 6 hours of light. The light will automatically turn on during the night. And you do get some hardware to install it on the wall. So for brightness, they're pretty bright. There's different modes on it also. This is about half as bright. Still bright enough. So I'm holding it here in the light, and it doesn't come on. As soon as I go into a dark spot, it does come on. Then when I bring it back, it does shut off. It does have two things. It turns on by darkness and also by movement. So at night, it will only turn on when there's something that moves around it. So with the arms installed, they are pretty tall and pretty long. It's kind of interesting. Right now, everything is off. The switch is off. But this is how you change mode on them. When you click on them and you hold it, it will start flashing. And now this is in mode 1. Mode 1 is going to be bright and then will go dim after 15 seconds and then will stay on. I am trying not to move too much. There we go. And now it's on dim, and it will stay on dim all night. The other mode is, when you click on it, it flashes. Now this will stay on for 15 seconds and then it will turn off. There we go, it turned off, but the side light's still turned on. And then the other one is it will stay on all the time when it's dark. So that's the third mode. And then when you hit it again, it just turns it off. So you can't turn it back on. So there is an off position on them. So I have these set up on two different modes right now. The first one closest to you is set to turn on, but stay dim. So as soon as I'm going to move, both of them should become bright, but one is set to turn off after 15 seconds, and the other one, so I just moved my arm and both light came on. If I just don't move for 15 seconds, one should turn off and the other one is going to go dim. So this is great when you're entering and you want the light to stay on all the time, but only at night. During the day, they should turn off. There, I installed this one by my stairs. So it should light up the stairs at night. And it's far enough off the fascia, or the roof, that it should get some good sunlight. So we'll see tonight how it works and how it turns on. So on the balcony I have one light there, and I have the AWANFI that's over there. And right now, this is how bright it is, but as soon as I start going closer to the light, it's way brighter now. Nice and bright. And we can come down the stairs, no problem. Walking towards the garden, I can see the small little light that's over there, telling me that the light is actually there in the garden. And as I get closer, it should turn on. There we go. Let there be light. There we go. We're getting close to the patio, and the light is off right now. Well, it's on, just a little dim. I have my second light that's there. As I get to the bottom of the stairs, the light turns on. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more or anything else, please leave a comment below, and I'll make sure I'll try to do my best to review or talk about something that you would like to talk. So guys, thanks very much for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Please like, comment, and subscribe.